Distinguished Senator Mrs. Olujimi was former Deputy Governor of Ekiti State, former governorship candidate, Ekiti State, a distinguished, very vocal advocate of women and gender issues, especially child rights, and of course, advocate of action against violence against gender. All of the above. Please, let's put our hands together for distinguished Senator Mrs. Biodun Olujimi, aka Mrs. O.
I am surprised that women have not danced since I came in. It's been 4 hours. Can we stand up? DJ, can you give us something? Let us lighten up. We are happy women. Oh, Wendy. Oh, Sunday. Oh, Wendy. Which one are we going to dance to? Can we have Onyeka Oweno? Can we have one love? One love.
Don't be sad, understand. Everybody has a day and the sun stays away. Take heart in a new tomorrow. Living more love between looks for a brighter day. Never need worry, let one love set you free. One love, keep us together. Living in a world, it's a struggle just staying alive. One love, keep us together. Living in a world, it's a struggle just staying alive.
Thank you very much, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. And I am so proud and happy to be here. Please kindly allow me rest on the existing protocols. I have come here to give a goodwill message. I got this message only last night that Iyom and Nene was going to hold a session here. And I said to myself, that is an incurable optimist. And that woman is, for me, what an Igbo woman should be. And I believe that the first thing to do is to clap for yourselves as Igbo women. We worked together when we were not in the same party. And we walked across the parties. She was woman leader in the PDP, and I was national publicity secretary in the All People's Party. And yet, we were able to bring about reforms in our both parties. We were able to bring reforms in both parties. And those are the reforms that the women are benefiting from today. Today, we're together in the same party. And I can say to you, she is our leader of the future. As old as she is, she still believes in everyone and wants everyone to thrive. That is why I said today, I must be able to honor her. And to tell Igbo women that your place in history can never be erased. The reason is simple. You have enterprise in your DNA. and you are hard workers. And so nobody should push you behind because you are front runners. Take this gauntlet and run with it because the future beckons to all of us. And the people to do the job are the women. Whether you are Yoruba, Igbo, from the south or the north, we women are the custodians of culture. We are the custodians of the value system. We are the custodians of everything that will make for development in Nigeria. And Iyom has started the feat. We should take the gauntlet and run with it. Iyom, I believe you will do better next year because you are going to include every other woman from all the zones so that we come and talk to ourselves and tell ourselves that women must be deliberate, and as we go along, carry our children and our husbands in tow. I wish you well. I thank the Igbo women for giving us a strong nation, and I know that going forward, we will do better by working together. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day.
In the heart of the city where stories unfold, Gentle Media TV shining bright and bold, bringing news from the corners of the globe, connects us together no matter the road.